Black and white photography feels timeless, artistic, almost like it's from another world. Color photography feels alive, immediate, and real. But here's the thing, neither is better than the other one. The choice between black and white and color isn't technical. It's philosophical. Black and white tells a different story from what we see every day. Today, I want to go beyond presets and trends and talk about the deeper reason behind each choice, and when each one truly makes sense. The philosophy of black and white. When you remove color, you remove information. Color tells us what something looks like. It's descriptive. It's immediate. Black and white removes that description. It simplifies reality. Suddenly, the viewer focuses on light, shadow, texture, form, and emotion. Black and white is kind of abstraction. It moves an image away from pure documentation and more closer to interpretation. It can feel timeless because it separates the subject from modern color associations. But here's the catch. Black and white is not automatically artistic. If your light is weak, if your composition is weak, removing color does not save the image, but it exposes the weakness. Use black and white when the story benefits from simplification, when mood and texture are stronger than literal color information. Done right, it's powerful. Done wrong, it feels empty. If this information is helping you understand photography better, good news. More help is on the way. Subscribe and learn photography the simplest way possible. Now let's continue. The philosophy of color. Color, on the other hand, adds information. It adds emotion instantly. Red can feel intense. Blue can feel calm. Green can feel natural. And yellow can feel energetic. Color communicates mood immediately. While black and white abstracts reality, color grounds the image in the present. It feels alive, immediate, and contemporary. But color also introduces complexity. Too many colors can create chaos. Choosing color means accepting responsibility for harmony. You're no longer simplifying, you're orchestrating. Every hue, every saturation, and every contrast contributes to the story. When color carries meaning, it's not decoration, it's essential. When to choose black and white? Choose black and white when shadow and light are strong, when texture matters, when emotion is central, when color distracts from the idea, or when abstraction serves your vision better than realism. If removing color makes the image stronger, then black and white is justified. But if the image only works after conversion, ask yourself why. Black and white should feel intentional, not convenient. When to choose color? Choose color when contrast supports your subject, when mood depends on color, when the story includes environmental context, or when fashion, branding, or product identity matters. Use color when the atmosphere depends on temperature or light gradation. If color adds meaning, removing it weakens the story. Unlike black and white, color isn't about reduction. It's about enriching the narrative. The final question. Before choosing black and white or color, ask yourself, is color helping the story or fighting it? Am I choosing black and white because it's necessary or it feels safer? Mature photographers don't make choices based on habit. They make choices based on intention. Black and white simplifies, color enriches. Both are tools. Your job isn't to prefer one. It's to understand when each one serves the story better. If this information helped you understand the difference between black and white and color photography, subscribe. Stay curious, keep learning. I'll see you in the next video.